Hey guys, welcome to Roost Vans yet again. As you can see, our big sign there kind of says that. Hey, one of our later builds here, we'll call it Topp. Mercedes Sprinter, two-wheel drive. Guy loves going to Burning Man, so we're trying to put a pretty simple build together, and we started with a smooth rail mounting system and then did some insulation. Simple build. Did a bed system, our three-panel Fouquet bed system with a Goal Zero power station. Put a couple flip-up kits on the back of that bed system. And of course our power panel that has Goal Zero 1500 installed on it. He came back for phase two and we did a full custom cabinet. Pretty unusual for us, but you know what? Why not? So when that cabinet was done, it just was a really nice product that allows for a pretty simple Dometic pull-out refrigerator. Also a single drawer we installed, and we pulled that switch panel from our power station previous installation up to the front of the cabinet. Added a sink, 7 gallons of water off on the side. Again, we're just really keeping it pretty simple. And of course, these full extension heavy duty drawer slides that we installed in order to support this 150-pound cooler when it's all said and done and full of a bunch of food. Worked out great. He's able to fully open the top and then still have some room for some simple storage underneath the sink with some adjustable shelves. Still has access for maintenance to his distribution block and replacing fuses and even adding stuff in the future. And then off on the side, he has easy access to his 7-gallon water tank. Now the thing was going to be flying all over the place, so custom build this little storage thing in order to tie it down to. And he hasn't had us install Espar diesel heater yet, but there's a perfect spot ready for that on the switch panel in the future. Well, check us out at roostvans.com for all your DIY core build, partial core build, hybrid core build, full build, or just if you don't want, just check us out at roostvans.com if you don't want to do a build at all. It's a pretty neat website.